Hi, in this video we're going to talk about menu management and how to deal with all the menus that create on today's menu. So right now I have this menu called breakfast, and when you click on the public link it looks a little bit something like this, and I want to make some changes. Let's say that it's almost fall and we're going to add pumpkin muffins to our menu. So from the bakery section I'm going to add a new item. I'm going to say pumpkin muffins, $6, and then I'm going to hit save. That menu item shows here. It shows on my preview as well. But I have not published my changes yet. So if I close this and then go to my link, you're not going to see it listed here. So what I want to do is basically make the edits I want to make, and then when it's time for that menu item to be ready and available, we're just going to hit publish changes. Now when you publish your changes, it is going to take about 5 to 10 minutes for it to take effect. So if you go straight over to your menu and you refresh it, you may not see it right away. It may take a few minutes. And that's because we really aggressively cache your site so that it loads super fast. So that 5 to 10 minute period allows your menu to be blazing fast. Next thing I want to talk about is reordering sections and items. So within the menu, you may have put something in the wrong place, or maybe it's going to look better in a different way. You can click on reorder items here within any section, or you can go up to the menu here and click reorder sections. Now this is going to give you a way to drag and drop items and sections around. So I can put the croissants down here under the blueberry muffins. I can move the whole bakery section over here. I can say the cheesy scramble goes at the bottom, and then I can hit done when I'm finished, and check this out. So we're going to preview this and see if we like it any better. And if I don't really like that, it's okay. I haven't published my changes yet. I can revert this by just going to the ... menu and say revert to published versions. Now it's going to lose my changes since the publish, so you want to make sure that this is what you want to do. But then we'll go straight back to where we were. And just like editing and reordering, you may want to delete items. So all you have to do is hover over this, click the delete icon, and confirm that's what you really wanted to do. Same thing with sections. If you really want to delete a section, click on the edit button and then click delete section, and we'll give you a confirmation to make sure that's what you really want to do. And again, if you do that and you decide that you shouldn't have, you can revert back to your published version if you like. If you want to delete your entire menu, you can go to the ... menu and say delete menu here. And now this obviously is dangerous. You're never going to get these items back again, so don't do it until you're ready to do it, but it's there for you. Something else you may need is to unpublish a menu. So maybe it's something you're not going to be offering anymore. Just come up to the ... menu and click unpublish. And if you ever have a time where you want to make a different menu, but you kind of want to be similar to the menu you've already created, you can click ... and then duplicate menu. And that's going to create an exact copy of that menu, and you can do whatever you want with this. So when we close this, you'll see we have our breakfast and we have our copy of breakfast. One more thing in menus that I really want to show you is how to style them for your page. So if you go to the preview button, you're going to see your menu look the way we think it's going to look best. But if you want to change the colors to match your branding, you can do that by clicking the style button. So you can apply a different kind of background image, so maybe a dark purple, and then a text color, you can make it a really light blue. And then you hit save, and you can see how that looks and see if that matches what you want to do. This is going to show up this way on your public links as well as the places that you embed your menu. So if you embed your menu on your website, it's going to take these colors. And so right now, these are just save changes. They're drafts. If I want to actually go through with this, I can click publish. One thing you may notice when you preview your menus or view your menus is the restaurant name shows up at the top. If you need to change that for any reason, you can come out of here, exit this, and then go to settings. And then you can change your restaurant name right here to anything you want and hit save. Now that's going to take about 5 to 10 minutes to take effect, but then that will show up on all of your menus.